You know what? Your customer isn't who you think it is. And if you don't figure that out early, you'll waste a lot of time, effort, and money building for the wrong person. Hi, I'm Siddhi, founder of the Indian Beekeepers, and on this channel, we talk about marketing, personal growth, and all the behind the scenes of building a D2C brand in India. As founders, we all make the same mistake. We assume that we know who our audience is. We create a perfect customer profile in our heads age, city, lifestyle. But here's the thing business doesn't care about your imagination, it cares about reality. Take Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg built it for college students only. That was the whole vibe. Dorm rooms, campus gossips, and friend requests. But the people who actually made Facebook a money making machine, not students. It was businesses and advertisers who turned it into $1 billion empire. The real customer was completely different from the one Zuck thought of. Same with Instagram. Initially, it was all about hipster photographers posting artsy coffee shots. But today, it's influencers, small businesses, even your neighborhood mithai shop using reels to sell. Again, the real customer evolved and Instagram adapted. Here's a fun one Crocs. They launched as practical boating shoes. Functional and, of course, ugly. But who buys them now? Practically everybody. Teenagers, fashion icons, and even Balenciaga did a collab. Crocs, of course, didn't predict this, but their customers decided the brand's future. This is literally the biggest mistake that founders make. We think we know our customer, but असल में most of the time we're wrong. देखो as founders हम अपने दिमाग में एक इमेज बनाते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट तो डेफिनेटली जेंजी के लिए होगा, कूल है, ट्रेंडी है, इंस्टा पे वायरल होगा. बट फिर डेटा चेक करते हैं तो शॉक मिलता है. जो बंदा एक्चुअली खरीद रहा है वो बिल्कुल अलग है. You think your D2C skincare brand is being bought by college girls from Delhi. But the reality, 35-year-old moms in Lucknow are your biggest customers. या फिर for example you design an app that you think that young founders will use, but turns out mid-level managers and corporates are the ones that are actually paying for it. We often build for the customer we imagine, and वो सबसे बड़ी गलती होती है. We assume that urban youth is our customer, but who's actually paying? Tier 2 cities, middle class families, or working professionals in their 30s to 40s. I'll give you another example. Many food delivery brands thought that their actual customer was busy corporate youngsters. लेकिन डेटा ने दिखाया कि उनके biggest loyal customers were families ordering dinner twice a week. Imagine अगर उन्होंने सिर्फ young hustler वाली branding की होती तो उनको कितना बड़ा loss होता. So the lesson here is stop guessing. Study the numbers. Listen to your customers. And allow your data to break your assumptions. Because at the end of the day, business आपके imagination से नहीं, reality से बनता है. So the next time you think you know your customer, go check the data. Because they're the ones who are actually paying for your bills. See you in the next one.